The Latin derivation of the genus name is astrum, which means star, heavenly body, and refers to the ray-shaped arrangement of the ray or ray florets. There is a huge number of species of asters, more than 150. They differ greatly in appearance. Some species can reach 2 meters and more, others reach a maximum height of growth of a few centimeters. The leaves are either alternate along the stem or are herbaceous, rosette-like, attached to the ground in smaller specimens. The foliage leaves are consistently oblong, bulbous oval, and pointed. The flower of the aster, which is also called a star flower because of its appearance, is composed of 2 different petals. In the center there are yellow-colored relatively small tubular flowers. Each species of asters has them. Around these tubular flowers are arranged much longer ray florets. These can appear in the most different colors, from white over pink, into the red shades up to purple and blue. In special cultivations brought about by us humans, the inner tubular flowers can also have a reddish hue. Asters form ovaries. In these the ovules are formed. These are usually surrounded by a pappus, a heavily hairy down. As with the external appearance, there are differences in the occurrence of the various species. Asters which bloom in spring or rather in autumn need a lot of sun. In contrast, asters that bloom in summer can also grow well in shady places in partial shade. Especially the larger species are susceptible to wilting. Thus, in open areas with a lot of wind, you will find rather small representatives of this species. Some asters require sufficient distance from other plants, while others grow in small colonies. The species of asters is also very flexible with regard to the abundance of nutrients in the soil. Depending on the species, the plants prefer nutrient-poor or nutrient-rich soils. Asters are believed to have healing properties. In traditional medicine, they are often found as medicinal herbs. In modern medicine, however, they play no role. However, some species are quite edible and complement many a salad. The most common use or application is, of course, the beautification of the garden and room. Asters are very colorful and, as already described, they come in a wide variety of forms and sizes. Thus, there is something for every taste. They are also very popular as cut flowers, as they can survive for a relatively long time in vases with sufficient water. Asters are often affected by powdery mildew or the so-called aster wilt. A simple home remedy for powdery mildew is milk. Simply spray this over the plants and the pest will pass away. If individual plants are affected by aster wilt, the only remedy is to dispose of the plant, including the root ball, to prevent it from spreading among itself.